So you might be trying to figure out how you can use virtual game cards on your Nintendo Switch 2. Now, doing this is actually pretty basic and it really does not take too much time at all. So to get started, what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and make your way over to your virtual game card page that's inside of your Switch 2. So it's at the very bottom. It's the third option from the far right. So click on the virtual game card option right there, and then click on the user that has those particular cards. Now when you do that, you're going to come into the page that has all the different types of virtual game cards that you can basically use. So in the center console, this is going to be all those types of games that you have available. So any game that you want to go and basically lend or use to other people, you can see that right here. On the left side, you're going to have a couple options. You're going to have the ability of kind of selecting the games that you want right there. So you can select the games that you want to kind of quickly at a high level kind of load if you want to. Also click on B to go back. You can also click on the filter option if you want to go ahead and filter out games that are loaded onto the system, so on and so forth. You can click on the sorting option if you want to sort it, and you can also click on the help option there. To load a game or to send a game to somebody, it's pretty easy. You can find the game that you want to go ahead and load. So in this case, let's take on the first one, tap on it, and then here you're going to see a couple of things. You're going to see the ability of loading onto the system. So you can go through and click on load onto the system right there. You can also click on load onto another system. So if you want to load the game into another system, you can tap right there. And then you can also lend to a family group member as well. So they all do their own different types of things. If you click on load to the system, you can load this game onto the system right here and play it if you want to. So you do have that type of option there. You can always go back into here, click onto your user, find that game. You can also load onto another system too. So if you want to load onto another system, tap right there, lend to a family member, and you can also have in the options if you want to eject and all that stuff. So that's basically how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.